With over 40 years' experience with local industry,
Kaishan
Compressors Australia is backed by the world-class engineering and advanced technology of the global
Kaishan
Group. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, with so much local and technical expertise,
Kaishan
Australia is well qualified to advise, design, install and service compressors and systems that meet exacting customer needs.
Kaishan
This professional service team works with you to assess exactly what you need and deliver the performance you want in your compressed air system. From the right type and capacity of compressor to the inline components and system configuration to maximise performance with minimum energy costs.
Kaishan
Helps customers to get the very best results. And with case histories and application examples from Australia and around the world, potential customers can have confidence in their investment in
Kaishan
products. So, for more information, visit
Kaishan
Compressors. And thank you for watching.